Hello everyone, welcome back again to my channel. I want to say thank you to every one of you that comes around to watch my videos. I really do appreciate. Today I'm going to be making cabbage stir fries. You all know cabbage at times is tasteless. So by the time you add some ingredients to it, it becomes very enjoyable. So sit and watch, and you can follow my directions and make your own as well. I'm going to be using hot dog. This is chicken hot dog. You can use any hot dog of your choice. I'm stir frying the hot dog, and I'm going to allow it to fry for some minutes. When you see that it's becoming brownish, or you know when it's ready, so you can start adding the other ingredients of your choice. I'm not going to bring it out from the saucepan. I will go ahead and add the ingredients that I want to use to make this. And I'm going to be adding green bell pepper to it, just to give it a little bit of a greeny color. So now that I'm sure that it is cooked, I'm just adding the green bell pepper. It's a little bit, just to add a greeny color to it. Then I'm going to be adding carrot. Adding these carrots is another way of beautifying the cabbage. So this helps the color to look so beautiful. I'm going to steam fry the carrots. Now I'm going to be adding the cabbage, and I will allow it to steam fry. You can use this for your dinner, and especially when you are watching your weight, this is a very good vegetable to eat. You don't have to add any carb to it. This is enough to fill you for the lunch or for the dinner. But when you choose to add like any carb, you can add a little bit of rice to it. But I'm going to eat this like this, so that is why I prepared a little bit of quantity. So at this point I added a Himalayan salt. And mind you, when you are adding your salt, be conscious of it, because the hot dog is already salty, and that is why I used the pink salt, because it is very mild. It is not as harsh as the iodized salt. So I'm giving it a stir, making sure that everything is incorporated. Earlier I added black pepper, so it depends on you what you like to add. And this is it. My cabbage veggies is ready, and I want to say thank you once again to those of you that will watch this video. Please, if you have not subscribed to my channel and you come across it, I will appreciate if you do so. It is very easy for you to do. Just press the red button. Thank you all, and I will see you in my next video by God's grace. Bye.